Hi, this will just be a quick video on solving simple inequalities. Key thing for this is make sure you're absolutely fine solving basic equations. If not, there'll be a link to the video I've done on that which you can follow through, and that'll really help you with this topic here. Okay, there are harder inequalities you can solve, but we're not going through those right now. Quick recap of the symbols before we get started. X is less than 3, looks like that. X is less than or equal to 3 is the same thing, except there's another little line underneath this inequality here so that x can also equal 3. And we have the same thing for greater than and greater than or equal to. Okay? So, solving inequalities. Here I've got this inequality that says 2 lots of x is greater than 8. In order to solve this, we basically follow the same methods we would do if we were solving 2x equal to 8. Here, if 2 lots of x is equal to 8, that means x equals 4. So if 2 lots of x is greater than 8, that means x must be bigger than 4. So what we're saying here is if I have some number that's bigger than 4, when I double it, it must be bigger than 8, which makes sense. Key thing for you to remember is that's the exact same method as just solving an equation. It just looks a bit different. This one, I've got x plus 4 is less than 7. So again, if I look to the right hand side of x plus 4 equals 7, here, I know x will equal 3. And using the same idea, here we will have that x is less than 3, which makes sense. If I've got a number less than 3 and I add 4 to it, that answer must be less than 7. Okay, hopefully now we get the gist of it. I won't even bother with the right hand side now. I was going to solve this inequality. So I'm going to solve it the exact same way we solve an equation. Instead of the equal sign, we have this inequality here. So first step, get rid of the minus 4. Opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. So therefore 3x is greater than or equal to 18. Next step, opposite of times by 3 is divide by 3. Which means x will be greater than or equal to 18 divided by 3, which is 6. And that is all you need to do. Okay? Just some quick questions to try. And I'll show the answers to questions 1, 2, and 3 in a second. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, for questions 1, 2, and 3, you should have got those answers. And again, thanks for listening.